Temple. We're welding this bad dude up. It's gonna be like an overlanding rack for a side-by-side. We got like a Arizona Peace Trail scheduled next year sometime. And it's going to be a freaking blast. And this is gonna haul his like tent and stuff. And he's gonna have an ice chest under it and a chainsaw and all types of stuff. But anyway, we're about to go test fit it up before we put like the mountain brackets on it or anything. And see how it works. It's just tacked together right now, but we'll probably have to cut it apart.
Let's get her done.
Confident.
Let's get her done.
Let's get her did.
What are we looking at?
Alright, so this is the rack. It's gonna go like this. Ice chest will still be able to open. It'll be set back probably a couple inches from where it's sitting right now.
Yeah.
So that it's not so close to like where the back glass is.
Yeah.
But I'll still be able to get in back here and everything. Won't interfere with these snorkels, which they're flex snorkels, but be alright. Alright, so we're about to, we check fitted it and it fits perfect. So we're gonna weld this bad puppy up. And there's some serious gaps in places, but it'll be alright. And see you in a second.
To do was get materials. That's all we came here for.
I don't need some.
Oh, I'm not getting wet. I'm not getting wet. I'm not. I'm not getting wet. We're here. Nice little detour.
Alright, so it's all welded up. Now we're gonna cut get the floor marked out and then cut it to fit. And these two runners are gonna go on the bottom, and that's what it's gonna mount to on the plate that has the studs in it on the side by side. It's gonna mount to that rack on the back. So yeah, we're gonna get it cut out. Alright, marks are made for it to get mounted up, so we've got these two pieces of angle on the bottom to kind of brace it laterally, and then we're going to take two pieces and block it in here that goes to this mount plate, drill holes in it, and that'll be plenty of strong to bolt to that. We got a cutout marked out here for this snorkel. They're flexible, but I don't want it to mark up the top of the snorkel or nothing, so we're going to cut that out. These snorkels back here aren't even gonna get close to hitting. So, but yeah, with it sitting how it was measured out, I got about a ½ inch gap there probably between the rail and the cage, and then on the other side we're looking at about the same gap. So, should work. Doing this in the barn. Excuse these retarded glasses. We'll be doing this in the barn, but I think the horses would try to jump the fence. So we're just gonna avoid that.
Yeah.
crookeder than 90% of
Yeah.
politicians these days.
Dude.
What in the hell, Genghis?
Well, that'll fucking do it, I reckon. What you looking for now?
Little vice grip ejection. That motor's just right in the way. Maybe that'll work. We'll try. I don't know if it's better than this one is. I can do some grinding. Successful day. That's still hot as hell. We got some welds laid down. There's going to be 4 holes here. It's going to be like a lug pattern. The rack we're mounting it on is like a spare tire rack for a side-by-side. So this will mount directly to the spare tire rack, and then it'll be able to be pulled off of the side-by-side whenever they don't want to use it. And so all we have left to do is drill the holes. We've got a cutout right here that's marked for the snorkel. We're probably not going to use that whole thing because this bought us some room. We can probably knock it down to about like half of that and keep some of our strength. But other than that, it's done. And the next you'll see of it, we'll be installing it. So we'll see you then, I reckon. Like and subscribe though. Like and subscribe.